Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny V and I sometimes make YouTube videos. It's been, I think, since October since I made my last video. I've just been extremely busy with my new job and working long hours and just being incredibly tired that I just don't have time to do videos. Except for today. Today is a special day because I actually did not go to work today. So with that being said, I am using this palette here by BH Cosmetics. It's from shaaanxo. I think that's a YouTuber, I'm not sure. But the palette looks like this and it comes with two sides, which is really cool. Especially for BH Cosmetics because their products are actually pretty affordable for people. So, with that being said, I hope you guys stay tuned to the very end.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So I already have my eyebrows done as usual. I'm going to be taking my Born This Way foundation and placing that on the back of my hand and of course dotting it all over my face. And of course, with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to be blending that all in. Now taking my trusty Shape Tape by Tarte, I'm going to be placing that underneath my eyes to get rid of dark circles. I'm going to be placing it on some red blemishes that I have, and then on the bridge of my nose. And of course, blend it all in with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite translucent powder by LauraMercier, and on my damp beauty blender I'm just going to be adding that pretty heavy-handed underneath my eyes just so I can catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. So you're going to look kind of crazy if you do it this way at first, but it goes away once you brush it all away. Now I'm just taking a kabuki brush and just with whatever powder I still have on my face, I'm just going to be dotting that right underneath the under eyes. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics shaaanxo palette and I'm going to be using the colors on the pinker side of the palette. I'm using the color Bestie all throughout the crease on a fluffy brush. Now my camera and lights are not giving this palette any justice, but the colors look kind of muted, and trust me, the colors are way more vibrant in person. Now with a flat angled brush, I'm taking the color Baby Girl, which is a really pretty hot pink color, and I'm just going to be making myself a winged liner with that. To make the color more vibrant on your brush, or on your, not on your brush, I'm sorry, on your eyelid, you could also just wet your brush with any like setting spray or even water. Even water can work, but if you want your liner to be a little bit more vibrant with the shadow, you could wet your brush. Now I'm going to be taking that same brush, but I'm using the color Lover, which is a really pretty purple color. I'm going to be placing that very carefully in the crease, and I'm also going to be running that underneath the pink eyeliner that I just did underneath my lower lash line as well. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be blending it out. I also placed the same color Lover in the inner corners of my eyes just to give me some more depth. And then you just want to make sure you blend it all out. Now I'm taking the color Dream Girl, which is this really pretty shimmery, like orange pink color. I don't even know what color that would be called, but I'm taking it on that same brush, and I'm just going to be placing it on the center of my eyelid where I have no shadow. And again, if you want the eyeshadow to be way more vibrant, you can just wet your brush. Now I'm going back in with a pencil brush and just darkening up the inner corners because the shadow that I laid down kind of just took away from the dark. So I'm adding a little bit more. And of course, blending it out. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm going into the color Gumdrop, and I'm just placing that in the inner corners and on my brow bone. Now it's time to curl my eyelashes, and I really need this step because my eyelashes are pretty short and they kind of point straight, so I definitely need to curl them. Now I'm taking my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel Waterproof Mascara, And I'm just going to coat my lashes. Once I have my eyelashes coated, I'm going to be taking my very first Jeffree Star pencil in the color Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is a really, really pretty blue color, of course. I'm going to be placing that in my waterline. Now my lashes, voila, they're on. I decided to put them on off camera because they're just kind of difficult. I'm taking a glitter, a pink glitter from the Color Workshop, and a glitter base called Liquid Sugar, and I'm just going to be placing that all over the center of my lid, which is on that color that we placed down. Now taking my UrbanDecay waterproof liner in the color Perversion, I believe, I'm going to be lining very, very closely to my lashes. And this liquid liner, honestly guys, is the best waterproof liner that I've ever tried. If you guys have tried some, let me know which ones are your favorites. Now time to brush off all the excess powder, which caught some fallout from the pink, which is really good because I did not want to mess up my foundation. Now I'm taking this Juvias Place in a loose highlighter called Nefertiti, and I'm going to be placing that on my cheekbones. And the color is so pretty. Placing that on my cheekbones with a fan brush, which is really, really nice. On the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I just keep adding the highlighter until I feel like I'm glowing to the gods. Now I'm taking this really pretty Tarte palette and I'm going into the blush that they have in there called Courage, and I'm going to be placing that on my cheekbones. The Tarte palette is called Classic Courage, so if you want to look that up, it's at Ulta. It's a really, really pretty palette, and I just love the blush that's in there. Now, of course, my trusty NYX contour palette, which is all busted up because I use it so much. I'm going into the two middle shades there, and I'm going to be contouring my face. Now for my lips, I'm just using an Inglot lip gloss, and I don't know what it's called because my lip gloss is like all scratched up, so I lost the name to it. Now for my setting spray, I'm using Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray, which is so nice. It smells amazing, and it works, I feel like, just as good as the UrbanDecay All Nighter Spray. And once you have that dried, you are done with your makeup look, guys.
Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry about the lighting, but this is what it looks like. If you guys did enjoy this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or subscribe or share. That'd be so awesome if you did. Also, happy 2019, happy new year. I hope you guys have a very, very blessed new year and you guys achieve all of the goals that you have for yourself. Let's just grow as people and spread love and positivity and all that good stuff, okay? I just want to say thank you also to the people that are actually watching these videos, which is like a handful of you guys. I just want to say thank you. Like, I think that's so cool that you guys are watching these. That being said, I hope to see you guys in my next video.